Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this whole house clean with me. Today you're going to get tons of cleaning motivation. I'm cleaning my whole house. I'm starting out in my kitchen. I will be cleaning my living room, my bedroom, our eating room, our little foyer that we have. All kinds of cleaning motivation going to be happening today. This is a whole house clean with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you get tons of cleaning motivation. I hope it puts you in the mood to get up and get something clean, whether it be your whole house or just a room in your home or something like that. But hope you guys are doing really well with everything going on, and let's just jump right into this video. Like I said, I'm starting out in my kitchen. Same thing here that I do every single time. I'm just taking everything off the countertops, wiping them down, doing the very few dishes that I have, and that's pretty much it for the kitchen. As you can tell, it's probably the cleanest that it's been in all of my videos so far. I've been trying to every single day just keep up with the cleaning and keep up with my house being nice and clean, because I find that it puts myself in a way better mood when my house is clean, rather than walking into a room and being like, oh, this is dirty, I gotta clean it at some point. I just like walking in and being like, oh, this is nice.
Porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces, you know it is all lies, you know it is all lies, on and on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin.
So as I'm doing this voiceover, I tried to find the quietest room in my house right now. My daughter's sleeping, so it has nothing to do with that, but the wind here, you guys, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that we live on top of a mountain in Pennsylvania, so the wind, and especially when they call for like a windy day, it is extra windy up here, and there's like things clanking on my house. You can just hear things like rustling through the trees and stuff. Like, it's literally insane. So I'm sitting in my closet trying to do this voiceover, and I can still hear it like it's just right outside. So if you do hear that in the background, I do apologize for that.
Everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know, breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beaching sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces, you know it is all lies, you know it.
If this is your first time here at my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's whole house clean with me. My name is Carlie. I do tons of cleaning motivation here on this channel. I do organizing, motherhood, lifestyle. I do a ton of whole house clean with me's, messy house clean with me's. I'm always doing the cleaning motivation. So if you guys like videos like that, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are enjoying this video so far, give it a thumbs up. That just helps out my channel really well. The stovetop cleaner I'm using, I think, is from Lowe's or Home Depot. It's from one of those places, but you get it where they sell the appliances. I had just asked somebody who worked in that section, and they went in the back and got it for me. But it works really, really well on my stovetop. I take this brush and I wet it, and then I go ahead and scrub it all in, and then I leave it sit while I go ahead and just do some more cleaning. That way it just kind of soaks in and breaks up all of the like burnt water and just grease and stuff on the stovetop, so that it's easier for me to scrub off when it is done sitting.
Some nights I'm having a hard time keeping my head above the water. Cold breath, I cannot stand up, too much weight on my shoulders. Messed up, I wanna stay together, but I need someone who's holding. And oh, I have someone who's holding when you call it. Like magic, you're lifting off the shade from my mood. I'm keeping it together for you. I'll go with you all the way to the moon. If you're keeping it together too.
I then just take this little plastic piece to go ahead and scrub off all of the burnt things that are here on the stovetop. I'm constantly burning the water. Like when I go ahead and make noodles or something, and it like overflows and bubbles and then it burns, I seriously do that every single time. I don't know when I'm gonna learn my lesson to just turn the stove off of high. Joel, my husband, always tells me I cook everything on high, and I need to start cooking everything on medium.
I got you there to hold me. Never stop calling like magic. You're lifting off the shade from my mood. I'm keeping it together for you. I'll go with you all the way to the moon. If you're keeping it together too.
So next we're gonna go ahead and work our way into the living room. As you can see, there's just a ton of random things all over the floor. That is my daughter Evelyn. She is 1.5 years old, and you can see me tossing things into her playroom because she constantly is bringing things out into the living room and just putting them on the floor if she doesn't want to play with them. I'm trying to teach her to start putting things back when she's done with it, but that's going to take some time with her being only 1.5 years. But as long as she's not trashing the rest of my house, it's pretty easy just to clean up a little few things here and there throughout the living room. She used to go into our bedroom a lot, but since I got our new bedding, which you'll see here in a little bit, it has little pom-poms on the bottom, and she's constantly trying to rip them off. So I've been having to keep my bedroom door shut, which if you are familiar with my channel, you know that I have toys in there because she goes in there and plays all the time. But now I feel bad that I have to keep her out, but I'm trying to teach her not to rip the little pom-poms off.
Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without
Next, I'm going to go ahead and put back all of these shoes that Evelyn constantly is ripping out of these little bins that I have. I actually have something that I'm putting here. When my husband and I got engaged, my uncle built us this like hope chest, and it was just like a neutral wood color, but my mom took it home with her when she came here a few weeks ago and she painted it, and then my uncle put some hardware on it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that chest right where that bench is and store all of our shoes in it, which I'm super excited about doing that because it has been sitting in my closet for the past like 2 years now. We haven't like used it. Honestly, I was just storing random things in it in my closet that I couldn't find a home for. But now we're going to go ahead and store our shoes in it, and I'm really excited about it. Next, I'm moving over here to our table. I'm just using the Method wood cleaner to go ahead and wipe this off. And then I'm going to go ahead and sweep up underneath of it because that is much needed.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry.
So I'm on like a painting kick here. I've been wanting to paint everything in my house white for some reason, and I'm blaming my friend Kristen from Life Made Simple. Her channel, she does a ton of painting on it. She's painting dressers and nightstands and her laundry room and cabinets, and she's always painting, and she just makes me want to repaint my entire house, which I did paint. The wall in our living room that has the stone on it, it used to be a dark gray color, but I painted it that like light creamy white color. So I was looking at my table, and then my friend Amy from Amy Fritz painted her table. I think she painted it a white color, and now I'm like leaning towards painting my kitchen table white on top because I feel like it'll go really good with the gray. I'm trying to go away from all the dark tones. When we moved in our house, when we were building it, for some reason I was leaning towards all of the dark grays and all of like the dark woods, but now I'm leaning towards like all of the whites and the neutrals and all of those colors. So I don't know what to do. I'm also debating on painting these little nightstands that I have white instead of the gray. I'm just on a white kick over here, but we're gonna go ahead and make my bed, and I'm gonna show you my new bedding that I'm so excited about.
We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love.
So I've actually been struggling a lot with making my bed like the proper way. As you can see, I'm untucking the bed skirt because I had it out and I was not liking it. So I tucked it in, I liked it for about 2 days, and then I was not liking it again. I don't know if my bed is just a different, I mean, I know like a king size is a king size, but I swear my bed is like a different size than what the king sheets and everything are, because none of them like fit my bed completely. Like our sheet, or our what's it called, our fitted sheet is always popping off, like no matter what, like it doesn't fit over the entire bed, and I've tried turning it and turning it. So if you guys have any tips for helping me make my bed like a better way, go ahead and leave them down below, because I'm honestly stuck and I do not know what to do with it.
reason to throw my
So this is our new bedding and I'm honestly obsessed with it. I love how it is an ivory color. I was going to get the white, but our dresser across from our bed is like an ivory color, so I wanted to tie that in. I'm also thinking about getting, not rid of, but taking the pink pillow out of here and then taking the pink hamper out of here because now my room is all white and gray and like a creamy color. So I was all about the light pink, but not in my bedroom anymore. I want it to be like neutral, airy tones, if that makes sense. But we're gonna go ahead and finish out my bedroom by vacuuming. I love vacuuming in here. I love walking into my bedroom when it's all nice and clean. It's just honestly the best thing ever.
It makes me crave. You really are a different taste. I love that I don't know your name. Sunrise is dancing up on the rooftop bar. Don't really need to talk. I'm reading the silence. I think it's pretty clear. I'm always so sincere. Oh, take me. I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for love instead, for someone I appreciate, and everything crossed my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to misbehave. Something about you makes me crave. You really are.
So that is pretty much going to do it for today's whole house clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you were cleaning today or what you were up to today. I also wanted to ask you guys, we have our dog bed right here, but I was thinking about getting a rug and maybe a bedroom bench, like a bench that goes at the end of my bed. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's too small of a space to do that? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.